What up, guys? It's RB the Fighter King, and I'm about to show y'all how to hack Subway Surfers and Lucky Patcher. So here we go. First, you'll obviously need the app Lucky Patcher to hack it. So here we go. So what you will first do is find your app, the app you need, which is Subway Surfers, because that's the app we're hacking today. And then you'll click Open Menu of Patches, Create Modified APK File, and then you'll click APK Review for in-app and LVL emulation. And then you'll make sure you check all the boxes there is. So after you click that, mine might say something else, but other than that, when it loads, you'll just click on Go to File and then click on the file. You'll see it under you'll find uninstall and install, and that's all you'll need to do. But let's see what will happen after we wait. So yeah, I'm back here. So when you go to file, it'll bring you up to this right here, and then you'll click on it and click uninstall and install, and then that's it. I already did that, and I hacked my app already, so that's it for me. So y'all can continue uninstall it, and then it's gonna say install it back, and then your app will be hacked. If we go right here and check it out, right here, you'll see here, download, and my app's back. So it loads here, so all you'll go is, obviously you'll start the game. When you're done, me already started buying stuff. See, I got a whole bunch of keys, coins. To get that, you'll need to click on one of those. It'll show you like this, so you'll click it. When you click it, it will pop up something. When you click it, all you have to do is check the last box you see. It'll bring you some boxes. Check the last one. See the last one right here, and then click yes. Click yes when it's done. That's it, and then you just bought you some keys. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Peace.